Raptors Lodge, Hoedspruit, Mpumalanga, in die ou taal, ou Suid-Afrika, Oos-Transvaal, Laagveld. Raptors Lodge lê aan die soem van Hoedspruit. Nou as 'n mens sê die soem, dan is jy baie naby. Nou hierdie is werklik 'n draad tussen die dorp en die lodge. Maar dit is ook 'n draad tussen die moderne stadslewe en die bosveld. Want jy kan loop na die naaste spar toe, maar as jy in die oggend jou gordyn van jou kamer ooptrek, dan loop die rooibokke hier in die bos voor jou verby. Nou hoe naby wil jy die lekkerte, die brood aan albei kante geboter hê. Verder is Raptors Lodge en Hoedspruit natuurlik baie naby aan die Kreerwiltuin en heel wat goedkoper as om in die Kreerwiltuin self te bly. In die 3 dae wat ons daar was ons 2 dae in die Wildtuin in, want jy is maar omtrent 30 minute van die naaste hek af. En volgens ons ondervinding in die Wildtuin is jy in die bokant, in die boonste helfte van die Wildtuin, wat ook 'n baie suksesvolle roete van die Wildtuin is.
With the teeth already cut out, the knuckles already cut out, and the floating bone taken out, the parts of which doctors wanted. He's in the forest, he drops fruit, he can't help it. He's a branch manager, he knows his predators, crowned eagles, and his leopards. He's got to have help. So he drops fruit, he's a wasteful figure. I've grazed baboons plenty, I've hunted the crowned eagle, we've still got her, and I've learned from that. And he will take 6 figs, drop 6, and take a bite of a 7th one and just drop it. Why? He's complementary. He knows his leopards are predators, so he keeps a bushbuck and Yana red duiker underneath on the floor. You understand? They walk around the bottom, there's a bushbuck. They're walking around the bottom here, and he keeps them there by feeding. He knows if there's a predator, the bushbuck will bark. And soon the bushbuck in the dark fur, he's got bigger ears than the normal, he barks, bark, 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 and he runs and he wags a big white tail. The baboon hears that and he shouts, then, bark, bark. The monkey, ah, 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 the shamango. So everybody, the insect, shut up. We say, no, danger's been shut.
Die eerste dag op Hoedspruit besluit ons om so 'n bietjie te kyk wat rondom die dorp aangaan. Ons kry 'n brosjure en die eerste plek wat slegs 15 minute van die middedorp af is die Maholo Rehabilitasiesentrum. Die spreker wat jy sopas gesien het, is ook die eienaar van die Maholo Rehabilitasiesentrum. 'n Man met ongelooflike kennis, maar ook ongelooflike aanbiedingskwaliteite. Sy praatjie was so bykans 45 minute en volgens ons kon hy maar nog 'n uur aangehou het. Want die inligting wat hy vir jou gegee het was so interessant. Jou aandag het geen oomblik afgedwaal nie. Meer, die inligting wat hy vir jou gee, kom uit diere ondervinding uit. Dit is nie goed wat jy noodwendig in boeke leer nie. En mens wonder maar net, en vertrou maar net, dat dit wat hy met hom saamdra, iewers gedokumenteer is, sodat as hy die dag sy kop neerlê, dat dit nie 'n leemte gaan los in hierdie bedryf waarin hy homself bevind nie. Ons het 'n geleentheid om saam met gidse so 'n bietjie deur die hokke van die rehabilitasiesentrum te beweeg en te kyk na die verskillende diere wat hulle tans daar het, wat in rehabilitasie is en nog nie weer in die natuur vrygelaat is nie.
Hand them, yeah, there you go. Right, smooth. Okay. Yeah, this is the bird.
He likes it.
Yeah, they love it. It's a natural thing. They do with each other in the wild. Right, yeah, as well. But these ones aren't tame anyway. Okay. Yeah, this is the eagle I wanted to show you, which is the Batelier eagle. And that is a French name for tightrope. Very easy. Male Bateliers, black lower feathers. Females, white secondary feathers. There's 3 females in here and only this one male. What a lucky guy. Yeah. His name is Mr. Chicken. And Mr. Chicken has got a broken left and wing here. The hand raised there, so she's a human being as well. She's imprinted. This guy also somehow got imprinted. You can see he's got anklets on. So that means you can fly them to that. Looks like the American bald eagle. Alright, which is the African fish eagle. By the way, not the bald eagle, it's the fish eagle. Alright, and then there's a grey one with a yellow face. Can you all see it? Alright, turning right at the back there. That's a gymnogene, or your African harrier hawk. Alright, and then next to him, we've got one with a nice hairstyle going on, a brown one. Alright, that is the long-crested eagle. He was hit by a car, broke his wing. Right, okay, so he's one of our migratory birds. But they put them together because they are different species after all. So there's not much competition going on in here, so that's why they keep them together. Maybe to southern Africa, right? You see to go more north, you don't find that vulture at all. The typical colors, I would say, a blue neck, a honey-colored eye with a black iris, and dark feathers outside. It is indeed a very heavy bird, as well. Hey, but these guys, some of them have been poisoned, and some have got broken wings as well. There's too many stuff that we're doing with them. I mean, we caught 2 white-headed vultures in that cage, hooded vultures in here, and then they caught already 2 or 3 in here. So. They want to separate them for some reason. I'm not sure what they're doing. Some tests. Also humanized at the same time. So yes, you might be wild enough to be released out there, but you'll also be tame enough to eat people because he's lost all his fear. Alright, for humans. Any tame animal, okay, is more dangerous than the ones in the wild. Yes, it's just a lion, man, because they are not afraid of you.
They're not. They're really...
It's his size. Right, he's too big, which makes him slow, so he can't catch up with the animal as fast as the lion. That's the only reason for breeding. Come, big boy. Come on, big boy. I mean, the cattle farmer realized that he actually shot a female that is lactating. She's got milk in. So he used his common sense to go look for the babies of the litters. He found 2 of them. One was dead, but this guy was still alive. So that's when he took him to a place in Pretoria, Car and Tendler's place. Indeed, you know, a cheetah is easy to tame, but definitely not a leopard. Indeed. This guy is not tame, he is nice. Yeah, that's probably why they couldn't release him back into the go. This is not an enclosure built for a leopard, people. A leopard can easily just jump out of here, no problem. But this guy is living the life in here. I mean, he doesn't even climb trees. If you put an impala up that big tree, he'll probably hope for speed. Leopards have got retractable claws, so those claws barely touch the ground. That's why they're so sharp. Easy for climbing trees, makes it easier to climb trees. And they've got the ability to lock their wrists as well. So when they climb a tree, they're actually locked onto it. That's why they can climb vertically up a tree. Big neck muscles means a whole impala in his mouth, alright? And then he can go vertically down head first. A lion will break all his legs if he tries that, or his necks as well. So these guys are quite chewy. Oh yeah, that's a nice wild picture there. If you can get that without the fence, you can lie to your friend.
Okay, just take the fence away.
Yeah, I was in a bush, you know, I just thought. Come, show us the claws. Show your claws. Come, hold on. Come. Yes, there you go. You see that? Yeah, that's like needle sharp. One swipe from this, that's it, you're finished. But they don't like
He's
you.
really pissed. She has hair. I didn't know that.
Good enough. The people with kids, you can go with your kids, it's not a problem. Something else. You can go with them there.
But her ears still perked up. She's like,
Vanaf die rehabilitasiesentrum is ons na die Kapama Cheetah projek toe. Dit is ook sommer hier in Hoedspruit se omgewing. Nou dit is 'n plek waar jagluiperds in 'n veilige omgewing geteel word. Kapama was gister ook op die voorblad van die beeld waar een van sy makolifante sy afrigter doodgetrap het.
You guys all see the 2 lions.
Where?
Okay, now this is Pete and Lucky. So Pete is the male, or handsome Pete, and then the female, her name is Lucky. Okay, now lions are not an endangered species, so that's not the reason they're active. So guys, so this is the marabou stork, marabou ooievaar, and then the white-backed vulture, die witrugvals. Guys, so we've got this is our wild dog.
Now it's on the right hand side, the wild dog. It's an endangered
Your
species.
right-hand
Most endangered species of carnivore and act on each other to recognize each other. If another wild dog from another pack wants to come into the pack, they'll smell him and then they'll attack him because he's not part of the pack. That's why they urinate him too. That's that smell. One of our guys actually said he likes that smell. We don't understand why. But yeah, that's the African wild dog.
Then I also got the third strongest.
What is it that distinguishes them?
So they're actually, they've got all different personalities like your dog at home. Then they have different dogs and stuff as well.
They also have different colours. They're like darker, lighter colours, like eggs have brown hair, blonde hair, different colours of hair. So you can also distinguish them from darker colours.
Beat that Ferrari.
One is a male. Okay. The one closest to us, his name is Caesar. The one on the further side, his name is Sarah. Why Caesar doesn't have a mane is they castrated him when he was very young. Because they thought, lions are naturally aggressive, they thought this would stop it. So they castrated him and he couldn't develop a mane. This also led to an overdose of the growth hormone, which led to him being 40 kilograms heavier or bigger, or heavier than an average lion, which weighs about 235. He weighs about 180 or 275. So also they took out his...
That's Junie the female.
Hoeveel is hier zo? Maar ons het nou een gezien daar aan de kant.
Die wat staan daar?
That is quite possibly the tits.